Welcome back to D-Design. Today we are going to see the must-have Figma plugin tools for UI designers that can supercharge your UI design, workflow and productivity. First, we are going to see Content Reel. Quickly add placeholder text, images and icons to your designs. Go to Resources, select Plugin and search for Content Reel. It will display a set of menus: Home, Text, Image, Icon and Add. Home displays all the available placeholders. Let's assume a design section is having an circular image with name and country. Select all the circular image shapes to quickly add images from the available set. Next, select the name layers and apply. Do the same to country. You can click multiple times to change the country names. Also, we can use numbers, email, US address, date, and many more. In Images section, we can even have logos for the images. Also, we can change different logo types. Even though we can add icons from the set of icons. I hope this will help our UI design workflow and productivity. Next, we are going to see Inconify Plugin. This provides access to thousands of icons from various icon libraries, allowing you to easily search for and add icons to your projects. Next, we are going to see Split Shape plugin. This will help easily divide shapes into multiple sections or paths, allowing for more complex and customizable designs. For example, let's assume to create a circle and you want to divide these circles into number of circles. You can easily do it with this plugin. Even you can do with any kind of shapes with this plugin. Next, we are going to see Brandfetch Plugin. As the name says, you can easily fetch the brand assets like logos, colors, fonts by entering the brand name. You can search easily the brand and get the logos even in SVG format. Also, you can find the fonts that they used in their website. This will certainly help UI designers. And finally, we are going to see a plugin called Contrast. This will help and assist in evaluating color contrast ratios to ensure readability and accessibility compliance for text elements. Select any group or layer to test the contrast. You can scan it and see the result. Click on Show Pausing Layers to see the more details. Let's see an example. Change the logo color to the background color. And see the results. It gives fail. From here we can conclude that which color is perfect for the design. Double click on the items and zoom it to the asset. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in another wonderful video.